have no idea what these two bikes are, and this is a very rare bike. Let's unbox all three of them and give one away by the end of this video. I'm also giving away this, my own truck with a 72 volt Pro SS in the bed. If you'd like to enter this giveaway, follow my link down below. The Talaria XXX is one of my favorite bikes to ride, so thank you to Lunicycle for sending out this very special edition. Whoa. The camera's not doing it any justice. This is the most beautiful, glossy, vibrant cherry red powder coat I've ever seen on an e-bike. It's also got the red nipples. It's crazy they come out of the box with 17-inch supermotos like that already. What a cool bike. This is a beautiful bike. It's just one last thing to do. Oh, wrong side. I don't see the wire to cut. It's a basket. Look at this thing. I didn't know this existed. It does not have pegs or pedals. It has little platforms, big fat tires, high riser bars, a little cubby for your trinkets. I'm definitely not putting the basket on it though. I don't know why. I guess it would go right here. Thank you to Alien Rides for sending this out. It's got passenger pegs. No way, that's dope. So you can fit 2 people on this. Let's see if this one's the same. Killing me with the basket. We got 3 beautiful new bikes, the cherry red Talaria XXX and 2 Alien Rides Atoms. I don't need 3 bikes, it's the holiday season, so let's go to downtown LA and give away this black Atom to the first subscriber I can find. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to downtown LA, and the first Sarancer subscriber that I see, I'm giving you a free Alien Rides Atom. Be there downtown LA Thursday. I'll be on the red XXX. We got the 3 bikes loaded up heading downtown. The Talaria XXX looks so good in the sunlight, and it matches the truck pretty nice. If you want to win my truck with a 72 volt bike in the bed, I've linked my giveaway down below. What's up? Let's go. Alright, black or red? I'm getting spoiled, but I didn't bring Sarancer, right? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I have the first one. Oh, fuck! Dude, we didn't even get to ride. Yo, man! Oh. Hold up, you dropped your ring. Thank you, man. Yo, this is Sarancer, man. Bro, I want to see your face. You know how I found it? How? I found this place. I saw that building in your video. Yeah, you came 2 videos over same place. Yeah, with the go-karts? Yeah, with the go-karts and with the LA e-riders. That's him? Oh yeah, you LA. Yeah. Oh, I left my home at 8. You skipped school for this now? Look at the tire. And then the kickstands. It just needs a little bit of tightening, huh? Dude, I think it's time for a freshie. Remind me your name one more time. Why you be? Indian? Yeah, I'm Indian. I lived in Nepal for 3 years. Oh, do you know Tamil? Namaste. Mero naam ho. Yo, Sarancer's name is. You gotta pick though, red or black? Red. Oh, okay. Here, you wanna peel the plastic off that display? Of course. And it looks like it's got a horn, a light, and turn signals? Wait, can you hit one of the turn signals? No way, that's so cute. And then you got this. Actually, really convenient. Do you ride to school?
Yeah, I do.
So you got a new whip to ride to school. I'll be matching you right now. I'm gonna be on this one.
This Roadster? It's crazy, man.
Is this a new bike?
Yeah, just finished this.
It's beautiful. Look at the handlebars. EBMX battery, BAC 8000, foot brake, Socian motor. Regen thumb throttle, dude. Hope brakes. You're killing me, dude. That's like everything you could possibly put on there.
Air 37.
It's Air 37's definitely the throttle. There you go. The throttle wasn't plugged in. That was my bad. There we go. Yeah. Hey, you look good on it.
Thank you, bro.
Dude, these are super snappy off the line. The winner, Yuva, took 2 trains, took him 4 hours to find us here, tracking down where I am in my videos. That's crazy. I love that he pulled up on a clapped out bike. If he came on like a really nice Suron, he would have still won the bike, but I'm glad he's got an upgrade now. This is sick.
So slow.
You're going slow?
Yeah, like really slow.
I wanted to cut the wire, but I couldn't find one to cut.
That's why. No, you gotta take off this side panel, I believe.
The loop that's usually there wasn't there. Do we have Allen keys with us?
What?
Do you have Allen keys? No? How slow is it?
Yeah, like really slow.
Like
32 miles an hour.
Let me see you try to wheel it right here. Oh no, I didn't cut the wire. I tried to. No way. Another Tolor. What's up, boss? Is this your bike?
Oh, no. How you guys doing, guys?
Sorry, bro. That was fun. Hold the brake. Hold the front brake. Yeah, lean forward, lean forward.
Run.
This is super cool. I love mini bikes. You go different places on them. So nice. Got the winner right here, dude. He's been cheesing the whole time. I'm on the Cherry Red Triple X. We're just gonna go to a bike shop till we can cut the wire. Oh, we'll turn right here.
Right there. Your shoes.
No way.
Yeah, right there.
Well done. My bad. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Here we go. Shout out to DTLA Bikes for letting us borrow their tools. Big, beautiful shop. I'll go and get you something. What do you want?
The naked.
What do you want?
In Arizona, please.
There you go.
The Roster.
Have a good one, man.
Where's the Roster, fool?
Right here, fool.
Dead ass, where's the Roster? What the fuck? Bro, no way. I fucking watched you, dog. No way. Can I take a picture?
Please, please.
Yo, that's so sick. Yo, that's so
Thanks for watching, bro.
I fucking love your contact.
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Let's go! No way. No, these are my guys. These are my boys. The Shogo twins. Let's go. No way, guys. Come on. Are we riding? Come on.
Big fan.
Let's go. We're having a reunion right in the middle of the street. What are the odds? Oh, I love that I'm the slowest bike and there's 100% a cop behind me. I just don't want to look. We got a cop on us right now. Right onto the highway. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah. The Shogo twins on the razors. I met them at a ride out. Super good at wheeling scooters and now they both got razors. We got another bike joining the pack. 2 more bikes joining the pack. Let's go, baby. Come on. He does. Hey, this is a great skate park. Sheesh. Thank you, thank you. Dude, this is awesome.
I should have brought my skateboard. Bro, can I try it?
Yeah, go for it.
I want to try that.
Please. Oh, that one.
I thought you were talking about this.
Me too, me too.
Ooh, you could definitely really do
Yeah, I bet. Yeah. With the foot drag.
Hey, do these come red or specially made?
Oh, that came red. That's out of the box. My last video before going out of the United States. I'm going abroad for over 3 weeks. I'm definitely gonna make some videos out there. The only hint as to where I'm going is that it's in Asia. I'm going to Asia for the next 3 weeks. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow. Last ride, last video in the United States of America. Dude, this is sick.
Dude, that jump over there is crazy.
Oh. Bolt down, bolt down.
I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, I'll come to you. I'll pick up a couple bikes.
Hey, bro.
Good riding out there, man. I'm gonna hit you guys up next time I make a mini video. We'll get the mini pack out.
I'm the kid from Halloween. Remember, like a long ass time ago, I had the mini moto.
Oh, I love the Triple X. Such a good bike. Right out of the box. Yeah, isn't it? I love you, man. You're fun to ride with. You wanna switch? Here.
Oh.
It's strong though. Be careful, all right? Oh. Yeah, Yuva on the Triple X. Shout out to Yuva for winning this giveaway. I'm riding the bike he just won. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Hey, shout out to Alien Rides for sending out the 2 Atoms, and shout out to Lunicycle for sending me this rare Triple X. As always, thank you so much for watching. As I do.
Yeah.